stop by Pete's Garage. Now I have a real fun project to share with you. I have a complete set of calipers from a 1969 Corvette. The owner started to work on them himself and found out that he couldn't finish the job, so he brought them to me to finish. In this video we're going to disassemble the calipers, clean them up, blast them clean, wash them down, then powder coat them using my new Eastwood dual voltage powder gun with some bright red powder, reassemble them and get them ready for delivery. This is going to be really fun. Let's get started. Now to powder coat this, I'm going to be using the Eastwood dual voltage powder coating system, and since I've been using this, I really like it. It's really awesome. It has a switch between 15,000 and 25,000 volts, and what that does is you have the lower voltage setting 15,000 for normal powder coating and tight corners, and then you can boost it up to 25,000 for larger surfaces, and when you're recoating over an existing surface, it gets special effects, like if you have a silver underneath and you're putting a translucent color on top to get special effects. It works awesome. And I'll tell you, since I've been using this, I have easily reduced the waste powder in the air by at least 50 to 60%. I'll be using the Eastwood Hot Coat Powder. I really like their powders. This color is 10105 Bright Red. Now I use the same process for the other three, and this is how the whole set looks. I love those little projects, especially when they come out so nice. The Eastwood products work so well, the gun works fantastic, I love the powders, and the customer was really happy. That's what really counts. Thanks for stopping by Pete's Garage.